You want your contacts to enter a workflow automatically instead of adding them one by one? Then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to add contacts to a workflow automatically in GoHighLevel, so your automation runs hands-free and saves your time. Now welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link from the description for the 30 days free trial link of the GoHighLevel, which is double of the official one, and for the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So check the link from the description and let's get back to the video. Now from this list, just select one, which one you want to edit or where you want to add your new contact. Now here you will find there is a option, the new trigger, the blank one. Just click on this and search for the form submitted or submit. Now click on this. Now click on this add filter and select here form is, then specifically select the form, like which one your sign up form. Let's say this is my sign up form. So select that and now click on this save. Now whenever someone sign up or create an account in my software or my website, they will automatically add to this automation. So that's it basically. This is how you can easily connect or integrate new user in any automation. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.